Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one ingredient chocolate ice cream in my Ninja Creami Deluxe. And it's good. So you ready? Let's get into this. Obviously we're going to be using some sort of milk and you have several different choices. You could do Kroger Carb Master chocolate milk and you could do Fairlife chocolate milk as well. However, I came across this Rebel chocolate cream milk and I think it might be even better. There's only 2 grams of carbs per 8 ounces, it's lactose free, and it's full fat. This means it's going to have a little bit more calories, but the extra fat is going to make our ice cream extra creamy as well. Also, one of the interesting things about this is that it's using allulose as the sweetener. And it has xanthan gum in it as well, so we won't have to add an additional stabilizer. This will definitely be the easiest ice cream recipe we've ever done on the channel. All we need to do is shake up our Rebel milk really good, just to make sure all the contents there are mixed together. And then we're going to fill our creamy pint right up to the scoopable max fill line. Right there. Now all we gotta do is put this lid on here, and we're going to stick this in the freezer for at least 24 hours. When you put this in here, you're going to want to make sure you're putting it on a nice level surface. If it freezes all cockeyed, you could potentially damage your Ninja Creami, and we don't want to do that. So just do yourself a favor, clear some space in there, make sure it's nice and level, and you shouldn't have any problems.
2,000 years later.
Once that ice cream's frozen, we can pull it out of the freezer, and we're going to set this on the counter and let it defrost and loosen up a little bit for 5 minutes. Once that's set out, we're going to remove our pitcher from our Ninja Creami, throw in our ice cream, put on the lid, lock it into place, put that back into our Creami Deluxe and lock that in, turn on the machine, and then we need to determine how much of our ice cream we want to process right now. In our case, we're going to do the whole thing. Since we're doing sugarless ice cream, we will set this to light ice cream, and then we can start it up. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Once that finishes, we can pop out the pitcher and take a look at our results. And that looks pretty damn good. And it was easy. What do you say we get this scooped up? I'll tell you what, if you followed my channel for any amount of time, you know that I do an awful lot of Ninja Creami ice cream recipes. I tend to use a few more ingredients and they're a little bit more complicated, but they always turn out really great. But if you want something really simple, this comes out pretty fantastic. Also, if you want to make this as a chocolate chip ice cream, you could just get some chocolate chips and add those in as a mix-in at the very end. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe that I used in this video, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, then I bet you're gonna love this video right here where I show you how to use your Ninja Creami Deluxe to make fantastic pistachio ice cream. That stuff's awesome, I can eat it every day, and I bet you will too. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.